Hello everybody, my name is Sebastian and I'm part of the Process Industry department here at Beckhoff. In this video I want to show you how easy it is to integrate hard field devices into your TwinGate automation environment. We start the video with a look at all the different terminals we got to do exactly that. Starting off with some standard analog input terminals, the EL31 series, with all the hard functionality. We also have terminals specifically designed to use the hard protocol, for example as in secondary master. And we also have ELX terminals with an intrinsically safe interface to connect field devices out of the explosive atmosphere. Now let's move on to the TwinGate automation environment. On the left side here we see all the different terminals that I have connected in my setup. You would also find an ELX terminal called ELX3181, which is an one-channel hard interface. If I click on that, I would find this general overview of all the settings I can do with this terminal. If I click on the hard tab here, you would find an overview of all the functionality coming through the hard commands and hard technology through this terminal and through the field device. For example, I have a measured values display tab. If I click on that and update the window, I would find cyclic process data coming through hard command 3 from the field device. And these are, for example, the temperature in degrees Celsius already, so I don't need to refactor or reconfigure everything in the PC afterwards. I can also map this additional information to my process image on the left side, if I click this button here. Then I would find all the hard inputs coming through hard command 3 inside of my cyclic process image, and I can just easily connect that to my PLC variables out of the main program here. So I change the link, double click on this variable, and now I have connected this hard command 3 variable to my PLC code. So I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.